a murder charge after he fatally shot a 17-year-old boy who had been returning a BB gun to a Big Five sporting goods store in a Seattle suburb. Aaron Brown Myers, 51, told police he thought the teen and his friends were about to rob a store and that he was also worried about the safety of his own 13-year-old son, who was in a jujitsu class next to the sporting goods store. Brown told police that the teens were ignoring his commands and he thought that one of them was going to kill him, according to a Renton Police Department probable cause statement obtained by USA Today on Friday. But surveillance footage refutes much of Brown's story, police say.